Hi Amani! How are you today?
Good.
We have a surprise for you.
Yeah.
Yay!
It's
What
a
do you think it is?
A Pushchair.
A teddy bear?
I want now, Dolly.
Dolly?
That's the big one.
Who's that? What's that? Is that your baby doll?
That's my
Wow!
little
And My Little Pony. Okay, shall I get your surprise out?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2,
I can't know.
1.
Oh, look.
Get your surprise! Whoa! Check it out, guys! What is it?
A Pushchair.
Wow, it's a My Little Dolls pram. Wow, it is a pushchair. Good guess, Amani. Yay! Would you like to open it?
Yeah. So we see what's inside.
Let's have a look at the back of the box.
Can open it.
Ooh,
Ah!
okay. Let's go ahead and open it, Amani.
Alright. What's... No, I will open it. I will open it. Can't open it.
Yay! Shall we let everything out? Whoa! What's inside? Whoa! That looks so nice. What color is it, Amani?
Pink for girls.
Is it a girl's pushchair?
Yeah, you can
Yeah.
only use it. Let's see what's inside and who it up. Whoa! It's a
Wow! Check it out, guys. It looks so cute. Whoa, look at these funky wheels, Amani. What color are the wheels? What color are the wheels, Amani?
pink and black.
Pink and black. Looks so cool. Wow, this is awesome, guys. Check it out. Does your baby want to go for a shopping trip?
Yeah.
Okay, let's fix the pushchair first. The instruction, guys. Ooh, I think it turns into a Moses basket as well, guys. It's a 2-in-1. Check it out. Okay, Amani.
Yeah.
Would you like to try and fix your pushchair?
Yep.
Okay, first of all, how many wheels have you got? Get your wheels together.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Well
5,
done.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hi, baby. Do you want to go shopping? Your baby wants. What's your baby's name?
Chase.
Chase?
Yeah.
From Paw Patrol?
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Chase. Would you
Other
like to
one
go
is
shopping?
Sky.
And another one is Sky.
Yeah.
But your baby is called Chase.
When I went to a thing that called B&M, I saw a thing that called Paw Patrol in B&M.
Paw Patrol,
Yeah,
yeah.
Sky and Rocky and Zuma and
Okay.
Sky and Chase.
Okay, so let's go ahead and fix it, guys.
Marshall. Chase.
Okay, ooh, it's more or less assembled, guys. I think that's the side clips, just slots in for the handlebar. Nicey. And now I think it's the axles for the wheels.
No, I'm using
Amani, would you like to bring the axles? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
that's not working.
Okay, just put that through there. I think you just put the wheels on, guys. It's pretty straightforward. And they're the wheel caps. Wow, looks so cool. Amani, have you seen it?
Look,
We've got white wheel caps.
look, look.
And where's the baby gonna sit? Is she gonna sit in there?
Yeah.
Wow, and look, you got a little shopping basket area. When you go shopping,
Yeah.
you can put your shopping stuff in there.
Perfect. What is it?
Yeah. Why, are you taking Paw Patrol as well?
Yeah.
For a shopping trip?
Yeah.
Okay.
No,
Ooh, look at that. A rain cover for the baby. Check it out, guys. That looks so cool. Hi, baby. She's already getting comfortable in her pushchair. Ah, you got a nice blanket for her as well. Wow, Amani, is your pushchair all ready? Ooh.
I want to do this one bigger.
Wow, look, Chase is in the pushchair. Does he want to go shopping?
Yeah.
Hi, is your pushchair ready?
Yeah.
Does the baby want to go shopping now?
Alright, let's see it.
Hi, baby. Woohoo. Check her out, guys. I think it's got a 2-in-1 hood. Pink pushchair. Are you putting your shoes on?
Yeah.
Yay.
So we can be ready.
And your pony, your My Little Pony's in there as well.
Rainbow Dash.
Rainbow Dash?
Yeah.
Wow. Can I have it?
No, it's too big for you.
Is it a girl's toy?
Yeah. Only
Yay.
This is the boy, this is the boy, this is the girl.
Is that a baby boy and that's a little girl pony?
That's Tate and that's a girl pony.
Wow. Guys, this doll's pram folds flat for easy storage. Has an adjustable hood. Hi. Has a detachable carry cot and a lower basket. Check her out, looks so cool. Okay. Is your baby hungry?
Where? In this bottle?
Oh, look, there's the bottle. Give him some milk, Amani.
Give him some
He's saying, ma, ma. Oh, that looks so cute.
Ah, she's done a baby. Do pee-pee.
He's being a pee-pee. Wow, are you ready to go shopping?
It looks like Sky, but it looks like tears. Shall we go now?
Okay, do you want to say bye?
Bye everyone, see you soon.
See you at the shopping
Don't
centre.
forget to subscribe.
Yay, bye-bye.
Bye. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel.